Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to sir. I'm Mona Lisa Buason, 35 years old, married with one child, daughter, 15 years old. I'm living in San Mateo, Isabela, Philippines. I have 6 members of the family, 5 brothers, and I'm the youngest of the family. I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work in Kuwait, Middle East country as domestic helper to serve 3 members of the family, 1 couple and one child, 15 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and the main duties is to taking care of the child. And second experience is housemaid here in the Philippines. In 2 years, I served 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 5 years old. I do all household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and the main duty is to taking care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I secure the safe of the children, and I will call my employer.
Okay. So, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
To check the temperature and to save and secure the children.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Hardworking and responsibilities.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. 5 years ago, kidney stone surgery.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want work abroad because the highest salary and to give the needs of my family.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My parents and my husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'm calm, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I'm sleeping at 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm calm, sir, and patient.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let ban in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, sir. Please select me as your domestic helper, and I will do my best to serve you.
Okay.